Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Goodness Ocheche Emmanuel Orifa. First of all, I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. God bless you. So in today's video, I want us to unbox my children's clothes together. They just arrived from China. Please stay tuned. So guys, here it is. This is how it came from China. This is my business name, Anne Collections. So let's start the unboxing. It is always well packaged. Wow. Wow. Cute shoes. Check this out. Check this out. And they're lovely. Chanel. Chanel. Is your own, right? How did you know? How did you know? Look at baby's one here. How did you know that it's baby's one? So, it's for you. Are you sure? Check this out. So guys, I also got some slippers for myself. This is sandals. So guys, these are the items that arrived from China. So if you don't know how to import from China, you need to learn. It is very easy and the products are always nice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.